Welcome to Send Out Cards, a place where you can act on your promptings every day. A prompting is a heartfelt thought to reach out in kindness to others. Everyone has them. Few people act. A simple thank you, a kind hello, a deserving congratulations. These are all promptings, and the more we act on them, the better our world becomes. What you send out is what you get back. So imagine the possibilities if you were to act on your promptings every day. We believe in a world of positivity. The key to that world lies in how we treat ourselves and others. Our mission is to help others act on their promptings and reach out in kindness to the world. We believe that in that world, you can live your dreams and enjoy a balanced and prosperous life. Balanced prosperity comes from personal development, relationship building, and cash flow. Send Out Cards delivers all three, and we're going to show you how. It all comes down to a system used by hundreds of thousands of people all over the world. A system where you can act on a prompting by going online, choosing a greeting card, adding pictures from your digital camera, typing heartfelt messages, and even adding gifts. By a single click on a send button, Send Out Cards prints, stuffs, stamps, and mails out your act of kindness. The result is a prompting acted upon. We would like to show you how simple that process is. Wouldn't you agree that every child needs to hear from their parents that they're proud of them? Let's show how a father would send a card to his son after watching him at his baseball game. He would go into his Send Out Cards account where there are thousands of greeting cards to choose from. He chooses a congratulations card and wants to add some pictures he took of his son at the baseball game. He simply clicks on the Add Pictures button, finds the photos he wants to add, clicks on that photo file, and watches as the system quickly loads his picture onto the inside panel of the card. The system also allows him to get very creative with his pictures. Now he simply types a message for his boy. He can choose from many font styles. He can even create his own handwriting font, change colors, and even put his words over the photos. Now he types a much-needed message from a father to his son. Here's what he says.
Tommy, check out this picture. You played an awesome game. I'm really proud of you, son. You're doing great. Your mom and I love to come and watch you play ball. Keep up the great work, on and off the field. Your dad.
After clicking the Continue button, he adds his son's contact information, which is already stored in the system. He clicks Continue and decides to add a gift. There are hundreds of amazing gifts to choose from, and they're broken down into numerous categories. He chooses a delicious box of brownies and clicks Send with Gift. The next day, his custom greeting card with a photo, a heartfelt message, and a box of brownies will be sent to his son. That's it. And yes, it's that simple. Imagine the possibilities. You have a mechanism for personal growth because what you send out in life is what you get back. You have a tool to build lasting relationships. And with Send Out Cards, you have the opportunity to create residual cash flow from the cards and gifts that are sent by many. We deliver our system and message to the world through a network of card-sending people, and you can be one of them. Do you need to send cards and gifts? Do you know others who need to send cards and gifts? The answer is obvious. This defines a possibility for you to create a cash flow enterprise powered by the Send Out Cards opportunity. Send Out Cards was founded in 2004 by CEO Cody Bateman as a mechanism for people to act on their promptings and reach out in kindness to others. At the same time, he saw it as a natural means for people to benefit financially simply by sharing good news with their friends. In its first 5 years, the company generated more than $150 million in sales, sent out over 40 million greeting cards, and sent out over 1 million gifts. Send Out Cards currently sends out tens of thousands of cards and thousands